Hey, are you tired of hearing, "Just run ads," every time you want to grow your brand or sell something? Here's the truth: you don't need money to get results, just strategy, consistency, and creativity. Let me show you some powerful free promotion methods that actually work in 2025. 1. Use TikTok for explosive reach. TikTok is still one of the best platforms to go viral for free. You can start from scratch and reach thousands, even with 0 followers. Post short, value-packed videos with trends, hooks, and calls to action. Direct people to your bio link, landing page, or Telegram channel. 2. Leverage Instagram Reels and carousels. Use Reels to hook new audiences and carousels to educate them. Instagram is great for building brand trust and long-term followers. Add value with every post, teach something, tell a story, or solve a problem. Use DMs to start real conversations, that's where sales often begin. 3. Promote in niche Facebook groups. Find 5 to 10 active groups in your niche. Don't spam, instead, help people. Comment on posts, answer questions, and share useful resources. Build authority and eventually drop your offer when it fits naturally. 4. Start a Telegram channel or group. Telegram is amazing for direct, loyal communication. You can share updates, launch products, deliver bonuses, build a real community, combine it with other traffic sources to grow fast. 5. Answer on Quora and Reddit. These platforms are SEO gold. Answer questions related to your niche and include your link or offer as a natural suggestion. Focus on value, the traffic will follow. 6. Collaborate with micro-influencers. DM small creators with engaged followers. Offer value, maybe a free product, joint content, or affiliate deal. They get content, you get exposure. Win-win. 7. SEO for YouTube and blog posts. Use long-tail keywords people are searching for. Tools like Ubersuggest or ChatGPT can help you find them. Even simple blogs on Medium or Substack can drive traffic when optimized. 8. Use email signatures and forum bios to add your offer or link to your email signature. Same with bios on forums or profile-based platforms. It's subtle but consistent, and works long-term. 9. Create a freebie and promote it everywhere. Offer a free checklist, guide, or template related to your niche. Promote it on all your channels, it builds your list and trust. 10. Comment on popular posts in your niche. Find top accounts in your industry. Be the first to comment with something helpful or insightful. People will check you out, especially if your profile is optimized. Repurpose your content across platforms. Be consistent. Free marketing takes time. Track what works and double down. Keep your branding aligned everywhere. No money. No problem. There are hundreds of ways to get seen, build trust, and make sales without a budget. Try at least 3 of these this week, and watch your visibility grow. Comment your niche below, and I'll recommend the best free tactic for you.